Want to save money every time you send funds internationally? Ever wished you could skip the transfer fees on Paysend? If you send money abroad regularly, those small fees can really add up. Saving even a couple of dollars or pounds per transfer can make a huge difference over the course of a year, getting more of your hard-earned money to the people who need it most. Well, the great news is there are several ways to lock in fee-free transfers and savings on Paysend, and we're going to walk you through the most effective methods right now. The first, and most straightforward method, is for new users. Paysend often runs a new customer offer, giving you 0 transfer fees and sometimes even a special exchange rate on your very first transfer. Crucially, you typically don't even need a promo code for this. It's applied automatically when you sign up and make that initial transaction. Always check the current offer on their website or app, as terms can change. Second, and one of the best long-term strategies, is the Paysend Refer a Friend program. This is a classic win-win situation. When you invite a friend to Paysend, your friend gets their first transfer fee-free. And you, the inviter, earn a bonus for each transfer they make within their first year, up to a certain limit. This bonus is often credited to your Paysend account and can be withdrawn fee-free to a bank card once you hit a minimum threshold. It's essentially a way to generate your own pool of free transfer funds. You can find your unique invite link or code within the Paysend app, usually under a Refer a Friend or bonus section. The third method is to look out for official Paysend promotional codes. Paysend frequently releases special promo codes for existing customers, often tied to holidays, company milestones, or seasonal campaigns. These codes can grant you 1, 2, or even more fee-free transfers. Where do you find them? The key is to check Paysend's official channels. Sign up for their email newsletters. Check push notifications in the Paysend app. Follow their official social media accounts. And sometimes, check their official blog for announcements about new deals. Be cautious of codes from unverified third-party websites, as they are often expired or invalid. Stick to official communications to ensure the codes work. To use any code you find, simply start your international transfer as normal on the Paysend app or website. When you get to the payment summary screen, look for the option that says Add a code or Do you have a code? Enter your promo code there, and if it's valid, the transfer fee should immediately drop to 0. So, to maximize your savings, use the automatic new customer offer for your first transfer. Start using your unique link to refer friends for ongoing bonuses. Keep an eye on official Paysend communications for seasonal and special promo codes. By using these 3 methods, you can significantly reduce, or even eliminate, the fees on your international money transfers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.